Printify tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can use Printify. So for this, you will have to just simply open up the website of Printify, and it is absolutely easy to find on Google. And after that, this is how it will appear. Now Printify is a print on demand platform where you can provide your designs, and there are people who are going to create t-shirts or the other goodies for you and sell it up. You can also list all these products that you design on Printify and other platforms as well. Now in order to use it, you will have to first create an account, and for that just simply click on this option of sign up or start for free. After that, provide your email address and login. You can also utilize your Google accounts in order to sign in, and this is how it will appear, and it will ask you what describes you best. You can choose any of the option among these and just select it accordingly. After that, it will ask you what is your main objective of creating an account on Printify. Then select any of the option that best describes you. What would you like to help with? Just select any of the option. What would you like help with? So just select any of the option that you are looking to get help with. Like if you are completely new, you can select this option of how to get started, and it will help you out or guide you in order to get started. Now let's select this one, and now it will ask you how did you find about Printify. So you can select any of the option. Let's select friends or family for now, and you would be able to create your account. And if you want to get 20% discount on Printify Premium, then click on this option of get it now in order to get it. And if you want to get $10 worth of discount, just complete these steps and you would be able to do it. Like you will have to sign up for Printify, which we already did. So this step is completed. Now you need to create your first product, then connect your product with the Etsy or Shopify, and the other is order and track a sample. And this way you would be able to complete all these tasks and be able to avail this $10 discount. Now there's a catalog of different products out there that you can design. Just select any of the product that you want to design. Like you can go in the women's clothing, men's clothing, kids clothing, and there are some coffee mugs as well. Just select any of the option that you want to design. Suppose you want to go in men's clothing, just simply click on it and let it load. And here you will be able to find different options to choose from. Just select any of the option that you are okay with, and also there is a price. Some person or some company will be designing or doing all the work for you, but it is you who is going to decide how the product will look like. And you can also see the relevant cost for that particular product. It is the cost that you have to pay, and on top of it your profit margins will be added, and this way the total cost of product for a customer will be ascertained. And now let's select this one and let it load. After that, you can select the color of it and whether you want it in black or white. And after that, you can scroll down, and here there are different providers for this particular product. You can select them, all the details related to it, like the price for it, and also the shipping cost is there, and average production time is also there. It is quite important when you are doing it on a scale, so make sure that you look out for the average production time while doing it. This seller is doing it for just 1.4 days, and also the price is low as compared to the upper one. And you can just click on this option of start designing. After that, just simply click on this option of start designing, and here if you are completing, you can start a tour for this, or you can just explore it by yourself. So if you start a tour, and there is a six step guidance for you that you can look out for and complete these tasks in order to start your design. Now here you can either go with the AI image, or you can add a text, or you can also upload any design by yourself from your Google Drive, your device, or Dropbox. But make sure that you follow up all the conditions while doing so. And after doing that, you can preview it. You can also edit it, and after doing so, You can also design the backside of it, the neck label, or everything related to it. After that, just simply click on the option of save product and you will be able to list it up on Printify. And you can also connect your store by clicking over here, then select the option of add a new store. And over here you get different options like Etsy, Shopify, and TikTok US, and all sort of platforms out there. And this way you would be able to increase your reach to sell your products that you design. So basically it is print on demand, so you have to print, and as soon as someone demands, your seller, that person who is going to provide you your t-shirts, you would be able to sell them up as soon as it is demanded. This is the basic concept of Printify, and I hope this video was able to help you out in understanding Printify as a beginner. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn the notifications on, and also like this video. See you in the next video.